Hello, Facebook friends. It's been quite some time since I've posted a video. There are a lot of factors involved. Mostly my equipment hasn't been working right. So let's hope this works, but I've chosen to just do a shot of what I am showing you rather than a face-to-face. So come back again soon and I'll do a face-to-face. But for right now, I am going to show you some of the new Stampin' Up! Products that as demonstrators we get to order before the rest of you. That way we can show you and you'll know what's coming. So all I have ordered so far are the in color items. So let me slide the box out of the way and I will start with the inks. So there are always 5 new inks. That's the way Stampin' Up! Operates. And each one fits into another color family, sort of. So we have a green, we have a reddish, we have 2 blues this time, and this one actually is sort of a chameleon. It fits into the blues, but it also fits into the purples. So let's take a look at them close up. So this one is called Orchid Oasis. This is the one that I said fits into the purple family. This one is Parakeet Party. Next we have Sweet Sorbet. I'm excited about this one. It's kind of a pinky red. This one is called Tahitian Tide, a nice baby blue. And the last one is Starry Sky, kind of a bright navy blue. So those are the ink pads. I'll set those off to the side. Also available will be the Baker's Twine in all 5 colors. So, again, the Parakeet Party, Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, Tahitian Tide, and Orchid Oasis. So complimentary twine in those colors. Ooh, look at this. We also have the matte decorative dots. Again, doesn't this remind you of the dot candy we ate as kids? And again, all 5 of the colors. Let me open this up so you can see that 5th color, which is hiding under the header here. There's that Sweet Sorbet, and it's kind of like the ombre colors. They go from a little darker to a little lighter. So those are going to be fun to work with. They are self-adhesive. All right, next I ordered the Stampin' Right markers. These are nice if you like to have sign your card in the same color as the ink on the front, or if you want to color your stamp sets and coordinate them to the ink. So the Stampin' Right markers have a brush end and they have a fine point end. These are water-based, not alcohol-based, so they don't work like the blends. They have their own special purpose. I also ordered all of the blends, but have not gotten them yet. All right. And then I ordered the In Color 6x6 DSP. And I can't wait to start making some cards with these new colors. Oh, they're pretty. They're really pretty. And oh, fun. So we've got dots. Okay, let's just go through a whole pack of these. So there's 4 sheets that have a nice tiny little floral print on one side. And then there are 4 sheets with a Swiss dot on one side. And then when we flip them over, we've got a plaid and a striped, kind of a dizzy stripe, sort of. Kind of a, oh, like a herringbone maybe? Very pretty. So we've got those also in all 4 colors. So here is the Starry Sky in the floral, the plaid, and then when I flip them over in the Swiss dot and the herringbone. Let's see. Here is the Parakeet Party, again in the nice tiny floral, the plaid, and then the back side, the Swiss dot and the herringbone. This one is the Orchid Oasis. Looks a little bit more purple now, or periwinkle, when I see it on the paper. And there's the flip side. And here's the Tahitian Tide. Really pretty. This is a really nice, kind of a turquoise blue. Cannot wait to start creating. All right, and the last thing that I have in this bag is the cardstock. Let me flip this open, or in this box, I should say. So there's the Parakeet Party. There is the Tahitian Tide. Next is Sweet Sorbet. Orchid Oasis and Starry Sky. So there are the 4 colors of the cardstock also. Very, very pretty. So just kind of a sneak peek of everything, not everything, lots of what's available in the new in colors. Let me get it all laid out here so that you can see it all. Again, working with a new camera system. I've got some learning to do here. Here's all my twine and the dots. Let's see if I've got all that in the frame for you. So pretty. Cannot wait. I do have one sample. I was fortunate enough to get a card with all of the new colors already. This is also one of the new stamps with an accompanying punch in the new catalog. So be watching for upcoming videos using all of the new in colors. I'll also be sharing with you the new stamp sets and dies and punches as they arrive, as well as the blends that are going to be in these same colors. There are a lot of things on the retired list that are still available. There are a lot of things that have had their prices slashed. So please check out my website and my Facebook page. Reach out to me if there's anything that you would like to order before it is gone at the end of the month. There's a wonderful paper pumpkin coming out next month in all of these colors. So if you like the colors and the combo of the colors, that's what next month's paper pumpkin will be. There's also a kindness or a hope kit right now that's half price, $9.50. Comes with everything you need to make several cards. I can't remember how many right now. Anyway, reach out if there's anything I can help you with. I'll be at the Oasis Tuesday, the 26th of April from 4 until 8:30. Bring along your own projects, or let me know that you need me to bring you one, and I will be happy to bring you a project. So that's all for today, and have a happy Easter.